In this video, I will show you how to use Napkin AI to transform your ChatGPT output into professional visuals. Let's get started. First, I have a detailed onboarding guide that I've generated in ChatGPT. I'm just scrolling through the text to make sure I have all the phases and steps I want to visualize. Once I'm ready, I'll copy this entire guide. Next, I'll head over to Napkin AI and select the blank napkin option to start a fresh project. I'll give it a title and then simply paste my text from ChatGPT directly onto the canvas. Now, here is where the magic happens. As I hover my mouse near the text on the left-hand side, a blue lightning bolt icon appears. I'll click this icon to trigger the AI visual generator. On the left panel, you'll see several AI suggestions pop up. This is where I can choose the general style I want, whether it's a flowchart, a cycle, or a timeline. After clicking a style, I can then browse through different designs of that specific style to see which one represents my data most effectively. With the visual inserted, I can now start editing it exactly the way I want. I'll click on the graphic and select the Ungroup option, which gives me the freedom to move individual elements. I can click on specific icons to change their colors or adjust the text to fit my needs. When the design looks perfect, I'll head to the right sidebar and click Export Visual. I'll select the PNG format, and I can even toggle between light and dark modes or adjust the resolution before hitting the Download button. I'll open the final file to review my polished professional graphic. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI with ChatGPT output.